What's up guys, welcome back to another video on Mr. Junior Dev. Today I'm going to talk to you guys about what's happening in the cryptocurrency market. Let's head over to CoinMarketCap. As you can see, most of the cryptocurrencies are down. Look at Shiba Inu down 14%. If we look at Baby Flocky, down 14%. Dodgelon down 17%. Baby Dodge likewise down almost 20%. Apparently coin crashed for some reason. Okay, here's the headline article from CNBC. It says cryptocurrencies tumble with Bitcoin falling 10% and Ether down 12%. So that's pretty interesting. Bitcoin prices fell sharply on Friday, while Ether prices also dived, wiping off nearly $150 billion from the crypto market. Bitcoin fell about 10% and was trading near $38,425 late Friday morning, according to CoinMetrics. Ether, the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap, dived more than 12% to $2,807. The declines in cryptocurrencies follow Wall Street losses on Thursday. The Nasdaq was down almost 5% this week through Thursday, and the S&P 500 into its third straight week of losses. So things aren't looking too good, guys. It's a very unstable transition. It's a very unstable market, to be fair with you. But this is just how it is. Capitalism was never a stable system. It has never been, and I don't think it will ever be. Especially nowadays, it's much tougher. So guys, what I suggest you guys do is don't panic, ride the wave, don't short sell, hold long term, and you'll make your money. You haven't lost until you've sold. Hold long term and everything should be fine. That's my advice. I'm no financial expert, but I think that's the way to go about it. Plan on selling, it's your choice. But I suggest hold. If you sell, that's when you lose. You also get charged a lot more. So guys, just be careful. Alright guys, so thanks for watching my videos, and see you guys in the next video. Peace out.